The journey continues to the Kitzbühel Alps. This secluded high valley extends over 24 kilometers. From the air they appear as stripes in the mountain fields, the cow paths. The animals spend the summer at an altitude of 1,500 meters. Wildschoenau is the valley of farmyards. Almost 260 are still in operation. Without through traffic or industry, a valley like an island. In the village of Tierbach, the people have also traditionally lived off agriculture. Slowly other professions are emerging. Now and again, a loud rumbling disrupts the peace. Conrad Gruber constructs and tunes these racers, high-powered sports cars that come at a price.
If you have vehicles over 800 horsepower, then you really have to get used to the rate of acceleration. But I think that's what fascinates people most, taming this incredible engine power.
Our tuning
is at the high end of performance boosting. Of course, you really do get close to the limit. That requires complex systems, all of which are produced in-house.
Conrad Gruber has been all over the world. He's been to Dubai, Japan and the USA, and always returned home. His wealthy clients like to keep things discreet. Among them are oil sheikhs and Hollywood stars. Conrad Gruber assists those who aren't satisfied with the Lamborghini's basic fittings. In his workshop, he transforms 500 into 850 horsepower.
Usually
the sports cars that we deal with have conventional induction engines, and we extend them with compressors or turbos, or a combination of the two. That gives you higher results in speed, acceleration, etc.
Conrad could have taken over his father's farm, but he didn't feel that driving a tractor was his destiny. He was more attracted by the car mechanics that specialized in fast cars. Later, he converted his father's farm into a workshop.
Of course, I stand out up here, because not many people understand what I actually do. It's hard when you don't carry on the family's farm, and there are a lot of obstacles to overcome along the way.
He feels most at ease when he's in his workshop. The compressors, turbochargers and high-performance radiators are all his own handiwork.
I'm always busy carrying out tests or developing something new. I'm always on the go, really. That started early on. I read many books about different cars, and I always had a great sports car myself. So I'm just satisfying my own fascination.
Conrad couldn't wish for a better test track than the windy mountain roads of Wildschoenau. And on many of the small private roads, there's no speed limit. The perfect conditions for a sports car enthusiast, if he doesn't have to worry about dodging oncoming traffic. Only a few kilometers away, a very different vehicle brings the children of Uttendorf to school every day. A rare vintage motor produced by the Austrian company Steyr has been on the road since 1949. The former Postbus 380A may not be fast, but it's all the more charming.